shot.
Yeah.
This to finish up the last one.
Yeah.
Finish up the last round.
Yeah.
Load that bitches up.
That's a YouTube or something, bro.
All right.
Bro, it could mean like that's what I'm thinking. When I came out here, I was like, wow, out here you could definitely do that shit because ain't nobody can stop you from doing some shit. Yeah, I was like, hell yeah.
Just to make moves.
Just make sure. Make sure. Definitely.
Having failures.
Yeah, fucking.
We gotta rewind that. You good over there, Theo?
Yeah.
You ready, G?
You do. Yeah.
Ready? Let's get it.
Patronus. Yeah. Hell yeah. Yeah, that shit busting though. I got that. Put this on YouTube. Yeah. Hey man, you heard it here first. You gonna come out? Man, you gotta tell nobody to come out. Secret spot, man. DM for more information.